That guy once said that अगर तेरे घर वालों ने मेरे पे कभी केस कर दिया तो तू उनके खिलाफ जाके बोल देगी कि मैं सही हूँ और वो गलत। वो छी, इतना गंदा क्वेश्चन। नहीं, बाल मेरे बचे ऐसे मोड़ के उनको। Welcome back to another video. Every time when you open YouTube, आपको मेरी शक्ल दिख जाती होगी. I don't know if it's a blessing or a curse, but what I do know is that every time I ask you guys to ask me questions, कोई फिल्टर नहीं है मेरे में, तो वैसे भी कोई फिल्टर नहीं है, आप में भी कोई फिल्टर नहीं है. So I ask people on my broadcast to ask me questions of would you rather. For people who don't know what this game is, it's like would you rather eat chocolate for the rest of your life or eat spicy stuff. So that's kind of what I was expecting. But the question that you have are like, would you rather live your dream life with your ex or kill yourself? So well, let's get into this video. So you guys have asked me some really personal questions. I have my laptop here and यहाँ पे सारे questions हैं, and let me just say that I'm a tad bit scared. Let's get into it with a very juicy one, which is, would you rather get back with your ex or let Pratham go back to his ex? Let me tell you, I would rather off myself. I would rather just take the rest, जितने भी बाल मेरे बचे ऐसे मोड़ के उनको. Because what is this question? I mean, would I rather, like, if I have to choose, if I have to, I would stop making YouTube videos. I don't know. This is a very tough one, and I think I would rather have. I really fucking don't know. This is such a hard question. शुरू होते ही मेरी तो हालत खराब हो गई. I would rather let him go back. If he still decides to go back, then that's his fault. I am not going back. I'm making a conscious decision of not going anywhere. But if he wants to, then he can. It's not like I have no manifestation. It's not like मैं काला जादू करती हूँ. It's not like I have a way with the universe. So it's up to them. Would you rather see someone's parents having sex or someone's parents seeing you having sex? I would rather have someone else see me, because see, I would be traumatized to see someone's parents, but if they see me, I'm like, whatever. It's up to me to get over it. As long as they're not taking a picture and broadcasting it everywhere, I don't really care. Would you? Chhi! Itna ganda question. Would you rather have Lakshya and Pratham get together or drop your business? I would rather drop my business, because I would rather have my personal life be nice than my professional one. Would you rather stop making YouTube videos or break up with Pratham? अरे क्या है यार, सारे questions एकदम अटैक ही कर रहे हो आप तो मेरे पे. Guys, I don't know. I'd rather stop making videos. I don't know. It's like asking, would you rather leave something that you love and you've loved for years, or would you rather not make money? I don't know. What are these questions? I would rather not make money. I would rather not make. I would rather. I'd rather die. I don't know. Would you rather choose a one night stand with a guy you love the most or choose a toxic relationship with him? I would choose a toxic relationship with him. One night stand with a guy I love, what's the point of it? There are a lot of intercourse related questions also. How horny do you guys think I am? Okay, next one. Would you rather quit YouTube or your business? My business. सोचा नहीं ज़्यादा मैंने इस बारे में. Would you rather choose what you love or choose what's meant for you? I would rather choose something that's meant for me, because in the past I've loved a lot of things that weren't meant for me और मेरे बहुत लौड़े लगे हैं, so I would rather just go with God's plan. Would you rather meet Pratham in your childhood or in Pune only? I would rather meet him in Pune. मैं बचपन में जैसी थी और जैसा वो था पुणे से पहले, we wouldn't have been able to get together. And there's this thing with me that I feel like even though I'm just 21 years old, I feel like I fucking lived 5 lives. तो जैसी मैं बचपन में थी मैं वैसी बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ. So what's the point of having him since childhood when I'm not the same person? Would you rather catch your best friend's man cheating or find yours was texting the whole time? I would rather find her man cheating. Well, it's not like in the past I haven't found her exes like doing shit. Let me give you a small story. I hope Lakshita approves of it, because otherwise she's gonna kill me. There was this one guy she used to like, बहुत पहले की बात है, ठीक है, हम बहुत बच्चे थे, and I knew that he was like with someone else, and I just wanted to prove it, ठीक है, मतलब मेरे अंदर ये हो गया था कि तू मेरी दोस्त का दिल तोड़ रहा है और मेरी दोस्त इतनी पागल है कि उसको पता भी नहीं है. So I started texting him on Snapchat, and not like flirting, just like texting hi as friends and all. और मैंने और 7th grader कितना दिमाग लगाया मैंने, इसलिए मेरे SST में मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे थे, क्योंकि मैं ये सब चीजें कर रही थी. मैंने उसको अपना दोस्त बनाया, उस लड़के को, और imagine him watching this right now. Well, I don't give a fuck. मैंने उससे कुछ कुछ पूछा, तो धीरे धीरे करते करते he was like, yeah, I love this girl, you know, she's in our school only and I love her so much and she's so sweet, she's this, she's that. और मुझे लगा यार शायद मेरी दोस्त को एक अच्छा लड़का मिल गया है. उसके बाद मैंने बोला who is it, and then he took another girl's name and I was like, Okay. So I took a screenshot and Snapchat पे जब screenshot लेते हैं तो पता भी चल जाता है ना. And I sent it to her, like my friend, and I was like, well, I told you. Sorry, I took a break because my dog came. Anyway, next one. Would you rather know the date of your death or the cause of your death? Actually, I would rather know the cause because अगर मुझे date पता चल गई, अगर मुझे date पता चल गई तो वो घटिया होगा. देखो, I know that everyone's gonna leave one day, but I don't want to. Okay, I want to stay immortal, and I want everyone I know, not even some everyone I love. I want everyone I know to stay immortal. So there's something to do also. ऐसा थोड़ी कि मैं ही मतलब 200 साल की हूँ और कोई है ही नहीं जो मेरे मीम रेफरेंसेस समझे. सो आई वांट एवरीवन टू बी इमॉर्टल बट दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई रादर नो द कॉज. अगर मुझे डेट पता चल गई तो मैं कुछ काम वाम नहीं करूंगी. जब मुझे एक तरीके से कंफर्मेशन आ जाएगी. बिल्लू, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? बिल्लू, ऐसा मत करो प्लीज, मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. Anyway, तो मुझे अगर डेट पता चल गई तो आई वुड जस्ट नॉट डू एनीथिंग एंड आई जस्ट वेट फॉर इट. देखना जरा. बिल्लू मेरे बेड पे चढ़ी जा रहा है. Would you rather be there to like your ex's post and say I miss you, or send your current boyfriend's ex a voice note saying I won? I'd rather send a voice note and say, hey, I won. Because I am not going to entertain any of my exes. Like, please. Like, I literally want to forget that they ever existed. So I would never, ever comment on their post. Would you rather cheat on your partner emotionally or physically? I just would not cheat. I am not a cheater. I think cheating emotionally is worse than cheating physically because emotionally मतलब तुम्हें प्यार ही किसी और से हो गया है. Physically, actually, you know what I would do in any of the cases? I'd go buy an AK-47. Would you rather choose your boyfriend over your parents? No, what are these questions? I would not choose anyone over my parents, and I don't think anyone should unless my शादी हो चुकी है. इससे पहले तक when boyfriend stage में, if your parents aren't doing you any wrong, भाई उनकी क्या गलती है? एक बार another story that I want to put. Remember that story I put of that pedophile जो मेरी पहली story time थी. I don't know if you guys have watched, but you should watch it. But let's, oh my god. Yeah, so I don't talk about that a lot. Okay, that story time was the only time I think I spoke about it on my YouTube ever, and I just don't like thinking about it because I feel like कि वो 15 साल पहले हुआ है और that was another lifetime, right? That guy once said that अगर तेरे घर वालों ने मेरे पे कभी केस कर दिया तो तू उनके खिलाफ जाके बोल देगी कि मैं सही हूँ और वो गलत. कैन यू इमेजिन? लाइक ही न्यू दैट जो वो कर रहा है वो इतना घटिया है कि मेरे घर वाले उस पर केस भी कर सकते हैं. और उसने मुझे पूछ भी लिया था और मैंने उसे बोलता कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Fuck did I know, bro? I was like 12 years old. Would you rather be in an open relationship with Pratham or date someone else? I'd rather date someone else. This open relationship shit, it's not for me. Sorry. Friends, but it's just I can't. Name it friends with benefits. What the fuck is an open relationship? Would you rather be on this earth without Pratham or be in a haunted house or any बकवासी जगह with him? I'd rather be with him. As long as I have money, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं कहीं भी रह सकती हूँ. Rather eat your poop or cheat on your partner. The shit better be plated like a Michelin star dish. That's all I want to say. Would you rather date a 9-year-old guy or a 60-year-old man? I'd rather date a 60-year-old man. I'm never going to go for minors. I'm sorry. Would you rather have a situationship that feels real or a relationship that feels fake? A situationship that feels real, 100%. There's no point of getting into a relationship if it feels fake. No way. Would you rather kiss your ex or your obsessive stalker? This is if I'm single, I would rather kiss an obsessive stalker. I'm telling you guys, I am not the one to go back to their exes. Never. Like, to me, it's like, would you rather live in the future or would you rather go and give a seventh grade ka exam? I'm just not meant for that anymore. Would you rather relive your worst moment or have everyone know exactly what it was unfiltered? I would rather have everyone know what it was. You guys already know what's the worst moment of my life. Well, there was this one most embarrassing thing that's happened to me, and I am just not ready to share it. I don't know if I ever will, but I'd rather have you guys know that than relive it. I don't want to relive it. Would you rather give up earning your own money and become a housewife for Pratham if he asks you to? Imagine. No, I wouldn't. Like, I don't want to be a housewife. I mean, it's a lot of work, pehle to, and I want to earn, like, for the girls who are watching my videos who are not independent and they're young, I want to say that this is like a drug, bro. I'm not lying. Making your own money doesn't matter. अगर आप महीने के 5,000 रुपए भी कमा रहे हो ना, make your own money. That's the taste of freedom. आपको कोई 50,000 रुपए दे रहा है और आपको जतला रहा है कि वो आपको 50,000 रुपए दे रहा है, और वर्सेस अगर आप 5,000 रुपए खुद की मेहनत से कमा रहे हो, प्लीज please earn your own money. Then after that, it's your choice. At least be qualified enough that you can earn your money. And then if you want to be a housewife, you be a housewife. That should have the choice. If you're making a conscious choice, that's fine. But if I have to give you an advice, please, please make your own money. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपकी मम्मी है, आपके पापा है, आपका पति है, आपका भाई है, आप किसी पे पैसे के लिए डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकते. वुड यू रादर लिव इन एन ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिली बट रिच और ओपन माइंडेड फैमिली विद मिडिल क्लास? आई वुड रादर लिव इन एन ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिली. मैं तो वैसे भी भाई, इट्स नॉट लाइक मेरे घर वाले बहुत चले. एज लॉन्ग एज आई हैव मनी, आई रादर लाइक लिव इन अ रिच फैमिली, हैव myself a gold Amex, and then I can just be wherever in the world and they don't have to know what I'm doing. Would you rather prefer lube on face as primer or facial oil as primer? अगर आपको मुझे मेकअप टिप्स चाहिए तो आप ऐसे ही पूछ लो. ये क्या वुड यू रादर हुआ? I'd rather put facial oil. I don't think, like, I mean, I have seen people put lube as primer, but I don't know how that would be. Would you rather expose your real body count or let your parents go through your phone for 5 minutes? They can go through my phone for 5 minutes. It's not like my body count is like that, but why give them the trauma, right? If you could go back 5 years, what would you tell your younger self? This is not a would you rather question, but if I could go back 5 years, I'd just be like, do whatever you're doing. You're gonna end up where you're meant to be. Just know this thing that if you think that your life is stagnant, there's no growth, बहुत basic चल रही है आपकी जिंदगी, तो just know that you have to be here to get to where you're actually meant to be. Would you rather lose both your legs or your arms? Yeah, क्या है ये? I touch wood. I don't want to lose anything, but I'd rather lose my. Can I have one of each? But I would rather lose arms because I'm scared of not being able to go out. Would you try falling in love with incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Kali Yuga instead of what? I don't think I have all the information to answer this question. Would you rather go viral for the wrong reason or never get recognition for the right one? I'd rather go viral for the wrong reason. Doesn't matter. क्या फर्क पड़ता है भाई, दुनिया तो वैसे. अगर आप मैंने कुछ सही कर दिया तो भी मैं वायरल जा सकती हूँ, और अगर मैंने कुछ सही कर दिया तो भी मुझे गालियां पड़ सकती है. I'd rather just go viral for a wrong reason. Would you rather choose 1 crore rupees or your boyfriend? I'd rather choose my boyfriend. I can make 1 crore rupees myself. Travel the entire world with your family and never with anyone else, or travel the entire world with your boyfriend and never with anyone else? I'd rather travel with my boyfriend. Family के साथ आप क्या ही कर सकते हो. मतलब I want to take my family out and all, but there are a lot of restrictions that come with traveling with your family. Would you rather see your boyfriend with another girl or kill yourself? You know my answer. Hand me the news. Would you rather give up on social media or leave your home? I would rather leave my home. I actually want to leave my home also. भाई कितने इस background में आप मेरी videos देख लोगे. I genuinely want to move out. It's just that I have to stay in this house for a bit because my Vestigia production is in the same city. Would you rather only be able to whisper everything you say in an argument or scream everything during a romantic moment? I'd rather scream. I'm a screamer. That sounded wrong. Well, that's not what I meant, but I'd rather just be screaming. Would you rather lose your phone for a week or your skincare routine? I'd rather lose my skincare. I don't give a fuck. Would you rather not talk to your boyfriend for a month or quit your business forever? I'd rather not talk to him for a month. If after a month the things are still the same, then I'd rather not talk to him for a month. Would you rather lick a dirty kitchen sink or drink water from a jet spray used by people in the airplane? I'd rather drink water from the jet spray. Something about dirty dishes and dirty kitchen just it's. Would you rather do YouTube full time or your business? I really like doing YouTube. I like it doing more than my business, so maybe YouTube. Would you rather date someone who's amazing in private but ignores you in public, or date someone who's clingy 24/7 and posts every second? I'd rather date someone private. मुझे नहीं पसंद clingy. Okay, I have to tell you, I hate when somebody coddles you. Like, I love cuddling. I love why did I say that? I love attention. Okay, I'm an attention whore because I am a Leo. I don't like it. I don't like PDA. I can't. I wouldn't want my boyfriend to just keep like kissing my cheek or like this all the time in public, or like we're talking to somebody and in a moment we're like, oh, give each other a kiss. I really don't like. I hate making people uncomfortable. Okay? Like, this is one thing that I compliment of the highest order is that our friends in college never ever felt like they were third wheeling us, because me and my boyfriend, we just have a banter relationship, and I love that. I love that we can fight over things like that, and it's like I'd rather have someone private and not someone who. And I also don't like guys who post a lot on social media. I'm sorry, I'm a hypocrite, but I'm sorry. Would you rather betray your best friend or get married to the Kala Jadoo wala guy? I'd rather betray my best friend. Maybe दो समझ जाएगी, but like in going back to that Kala Jadoo wala guy's a suicide mission. Would you rather go 1 year without your boyfriend or 1 year without social media? Rather go 1 year without social media. But this is a very tough choice. सोच के टेंशन हो गई. Would you rather lose all your followers or have more haters than followers? I'd rather have more haters. I've always said having haters is something to be proud of. Very flattering. when somebody hates on me, I just think it's too, like, I'll tell you, जब भी मुझे कोई hate comment आता है ना, for some reason I always imagine that that person is sitting in their room, like a dark room, with this gaming laptop. Like, it doesn't have to be a gaming laptop, but you know how in Bollywood and all they show that there's this one cyber techie guy जिसके पूरा laptop ऐसे पूरी screen हर जगह लगी होती है. I think of him like that, with a hoodie, and they're like, I hate this bitch, you look so ugly, I hate your face. So I'd rather have more followers. I mean, I'd rather have more haters. Would you rather leave Pratham or have sex with your ex? I'd rather leave my boyfriend. Would you rather go to your childhood or your future, and why? I would rather go to my future and know if what I'm doing is worth it or not. मेरे को अपने बचपन में जाने का कोई शौक नहीं है. Would you rather cheat or have a cheating partner? I'd rather have a cheating partner. I can live while I'm hurting, but I can't live with the guilt. Would you rather do the degree you already did or do something different and more exciting? I love the degree I did. I did, for context, I did economics honors and bachelor's of science, and I think that was a really smart degree and it just opened my mind. I never wanted to do a creative degree. I knew that मेरे दिमाग में जो जितनी creativeness थी वो, that's like more than enough. I didn't feel the need of a degree especially for that. Would you rather learn Pratham's house culture after marrying him, or will pull him in North Indian your side? He's not South Indian. He's Bengali, so he's not really South Indian. I like knowing people's culture and all, and I don't think that I'll be living with his family once I get married. I'm just 21 years old, पहली बात तो, but I would love to know his culture, but then I would also teach him my culture. उसको already पता है, वो हड़प्पा हड़प्पा करता रहता है वो भी पंजाबी के लिए, but I think it has to be equal. And yeah, this is a new kind of video that I thought I would do. Would you rather? Because it also tells you a lot about a person. That is me. You know everything about me now. Like, it's इससे ज़्यादा बुरे would you rather तो आप मेरे से पूछ नहीं सकते थे. इससे क्या ही पूछ सकते हो. ज़्यादा intense. Like, you guys know everything about my life, which is why you're also able to ask me such point to point questions जो मेरे को अंदर से चीर के निकल चुके हैं. Yeah, that was it. Let me know if you liked this video. It was a new thing that I did. I don't know if you guys will like it, but I thought I would do it. And for the people watching this video, I want to tell you that I'm putting a form नीचे जो कि RSVP है मेरे meetup के लिए. उसके बाद I will still like make a whole announcement on where it's happening and why it's happening and कब होगा everything. But I just want you guys to fill that form if you're interested in the meetup, so that I have an idea of how many people are coming, and then I can make some arrangements accordingly. So if you're in Delhi and you want to come to my meetup, then you can fill that form. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I actually did enjoy making it. Stay happy. Do what makes you happy. Bye. I love you.